Is your garage door in the Kiama area refusing to close? The issue might be with your safety sensors. These sensors are crucial for preventing the door from closing on objects, pets, or people. But when they become dirty, misaligned, or malfunction, they can stop your door right in its tracks. Don't let sensor problems keep your garage door ajar. Call us at 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals in Kiama will clean, align, and repair your sensors, ensuring your garage door functions safely and efficiently. Reach out today for reliable service and peace of mind.